Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing good and you're all excited for today's class on quadratic equations. So can you all hear me and see me very well, people? Let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we will get started. Hello, Nitin, Udaya, Vamsi, Kavin. Welcome. Nice to see all of you here right on time for a super duper session. So guys, today I'll be covering quadratic equations with JEE Mains and JEE Advanced in mind. Okay. So I'm gonna solve some amazing questions covering the entire chapter. So make sure you note down the good points which I'm teaching you today. Okay. Hello Vijaya, welcome. Nice to see you here. QB Base, hello. IITN is also here. Fantastic. Nice to see all of you. So people, shall we begin? Are you all ready? Fantastic. So you are going to hear this lecture from this person over here. So for those who are new to this channel, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So if you are an engineering aspirant, then you are at the right place, because in this channel you have three wonderful teachers for engineering. We have Shreyas sir for physics, we have Wasim sir for chemistry, and you guys have got me for mathematics. Okay, and talking about my background, I was also like you people. I was also studying, preparing for exams 9 years back, and I did clear JEE Mains as one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. And I got into IIT Madras. I am sure many people want to get into IITs, NITs, but guys, it takes a lot of effort and it takes a lot of practice also. Got it? And that is why we are here to help you. So shall we get started with this beautiful journey? This is the first lecture I am taking for 11th standard students in this channel for this year. Are you guys excited? Let me know in the chat, people, quickly. Very good. Great. So shall we get started, everybody? Fantastic. So let's move into the session. For those who want to connect with me, if you want to ask me something, then please make sure you follow me or you send me a request on Instagram. And you have my Telegram ID also in the description of this video. So definitely you can message me whatever doubts or questions that you have and I'll get back to you. Okay. And this is my background, people. You can read through it. So I did clear KVPY when I was a student. I did write JEE Mains and I have produced a lot of top ranks in advance because I was teaching the toppers batch and the Eklavya batch in Vedantu back in 2019-2020. Okay. So with that, people, let's look at the channel which you are all currently watching. So the channel that you are all currently watching is JEE Enlite, the NEET and JEE channel in English of Vedantu. So here we teach in English. I'm sure you would have noticed that. We made this channel because you guys requested, sir, we want English channel. We want to study in English because all the channels in YouTube are in Hindi. We don't understand it. We want something in English which will help all the students all over the country. And we made it happen. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're all enjoying the classes over here taken by all the 4 teachers in this channel. And if you are really loving it, then smash that like button before we get started. Are you ready, people? Shall we get started, everybody? Fantastic. So this is your very first question. I want all of you all to try it out. And Vijaya, yes, tell me what is your doubt. Akshay, will it be useful for JEE 2022? Of course, yes, Akshay. It is a very good practice session, I would say. Great. Chandu, welcome, man. Fantastic. One shot for relations and functions. Okay. Yes, I will try to do that, Vijaya. Brilliant. Heyman, theory classes. So I thought for quadratic, you guys might know the theory. So I thought I'll start off with problem solving. But don't worry, as I keep solving questions, I'll cover a little bit of theory as well. Okay. But guys, I want you all to try it. Take out your pen, take out your notebook and try to put your pen to use. Okay? Great, great, great. Valesh, very good evening, Valesh. Nice to see you. Okay. When is your exam, Vijaya? You tell me when is your exam. I'll try to do it before that, but since NEET exam is coming, I might be very occupied, but let's see. I'll try my best. Chandu, can you message me in Telegram then? So this is my ID. The same ID I have in Telegram also. So you guys can maybe message me there. Okay. Very good. So it's the next day after NEET, Vijaya. But anyway, I'll try to. Yes. Tirat Sasta, I am doing great, man. Thank you for asking. I hope you guys are also having fun. Great. So people, what is the answer? Nobody is solving, huh? Everybody is busy in spamming the chat only. Guys, try to solve it. It's a very nice question. It teaches you some very good concepts. So are you ready? Shall we discuss it? So I'll teach you how to solve this question. Everybody please pay attention. Okay, I want you all to listen. So what do we have here? We have 2 plus iota root 3 to be a root of x square plus px plus q. Okay, so they have given you one root and they said p and q are real. Then what are p and q? That is the question. Now people, do you all understand that whenever your quadratic equation has real coefficients, the complex roots will occur in pairs? Okay. Hello, Varshan Rocks. Vanakkam, man. Nice to see you. Great, great. So guys, did you all pay attention to what I said? If you have a quadratic, let's say you have a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If a, b and c are real numbers, then the complex roots, so this is a complex number, right? Iota is what? Iota is the square root of -1. So it is no more a real number, it is a complex number. So if you have a complex root for a quadratic equation, then they will occur in pairs when the coefficients are real. This is a very nice condition, don't forget this. Only when coefficients are real, the complex roots will occur in pairs. What do I mean by pairs? If this is one root, the other root would be 2 minus iota root 3, the conjugate of that. If 2 plus iota root 3 is one root, 2 minus iota root 3 will be the other root. Why? Because the coefficients are all real. How, sir? Because this is coefficient 1, this is p, this is q, and they said p and q are real numbers. So now it's a very simple question because you know both the roots. If you know both the roots, you can get the answer. What is minus p? Minus p is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is 2 plus iota root 3 plus 2 minus iota root 3. So minus p is equal to 4. So p is equal to minus 4. So I got the value of p. What is q? Q is the product of the roots. 2 plus iota root 3 into 2 minus iota root 3. So if I solve it, I'll get q to be how much? It will come out to be 7. So minus 4 comma 7 is the answer. All those who said, yay, you are right. Okay. Kiran Kumar, Sharad, Udaya, you guys are all absolutely correct, guys. Very good. Very well done, my dear boys and my dear girls. Very good, very good, very good. What about others? The silent members, what are you all doing? I hope you're all solving because, guys, this session will be a complete revision of quadratic up to advanced level. Yes, I'm gonna take you all the way up to advanced level. So if you guys are interested, you have to be involved in this session. I want to hear answers from you. Only then I can take you that far. Okay? Will you all be responsive? Will you all be very participative? Yes? Can you all give me a fire in the chat? Let me see the energy, guys. With that energy, we will begin the session. Shall we go forward? Ganesh, welcome Ganesh. Nice to see you here. Danush, Sharat, Udaya, you guys have absolutely rocked it. Great job. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. So this is the next question. I want all of you all to try it. This is based on your sum of the roots and product of the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, fantastic. Yes, Vijaya. Okay, this Monday is it? Okay, great. Saran, yes, JEE mains and your CBSE results will be out, I think, very soon. Okay. Yes, it will be out, Saran, because only then the second attempt application window can open again. So it will be out very soon. Will quadratic come in MBBS like biostatistics? Vijaya, I don't think much. But yeah, of course, you will have some application. Not much. Great. So people, everybody try to solve it. So how do you form a quadratic equation? How do you form a quadratic equation? So people, do you all know this? A quadratic equation is like x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Do you all know this? This is how you write a quadratic equation. Any quadratic equation can be written as x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Is that right? Everybody is cool with that? Yes. So now if I get sum of the roots, this and this, if I get product of the roots, this and this, then my job is over. Then my job is over. So any quadratic can be written in this fashion. Okay. So let's try to figure out sum of the roots. So what is sum of the roots, my dear boys and girls? Everybody think about it. You have 2 alpha plus 3 alpha. So it will be 5 alpha plus you have 3 alpha plus 2 beta. That is again 5 beta. So you have 5 times of alpha plus beta. And what is alpha plus beta? Alpha and beta are the roots of the first known equation. So alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. And alpha beta is what? Alpha beta is c by a. So sum of the roots is going to be 5 times alpha plus beta. So 5 times 5 by 2. So 5 times 5 by 2 is how much? It is going to be 25 by 2. So that is your sum of the roots. So I will plug it in over here. X square minus sum of the roots times of x plus. Now I have to find product of the roots. Now I have to find product of the roots. Infinity, very good. Shivaram, Vamsi, very good guys. You are all awesome. Keep it up. That is absolutely right. And I'm so glad that you all are able to do it that fast. That's awesome, people. Very good. So now let's move forward and find product of roots. What is product of roots? Everybody think about it. Product of roots means I have to multiply these two. So if I multiply these two, what will I get? I will get 6 alpha square plus 4 alpha beta plus 9 alpha beta. So that will be 13 alpha beta plus you will have again 3 into 2, 6 beta square. Okay. So you have product of roots is nothing but 6 times of alpha square plus beta square plus 13 alpha beta. Correct? Everybody cool with that? So now this can be written as 6 times of alpha plus beta whole square minus 12 times of alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta. Is that right, people? Because alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. How? A plus B whole square formula. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And outside you have 6. So 6 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 6 into 2 alpha beta, which is 12 alpha beta plus 13 alpha beta, which is equal to 6 into alpha plus beta whole square is 5 by 2 square. And then minus 12 plus 13 will be plus alpha beta, which is 7 by 2. So it's going to be how much? It is going to be 6 into 25 by 4 plus 7 by 2, which is equal to how much? This will be 3. This will be how much? 2. So it will be 82 by 2, which is 41. So product of the roots is 41. So I got sum of the roots. I got product of the roots. So put it here and get the answer. So product of the roots is 41. That is equal to 0. So that is my answer. Multiply by 2. You will get the correct answer, which is option A. Did you all love it? Was it legendary? Was it legendary? Did you all like it? Sir, we can just eliminate the options. But guys, you have none of these. Come on, don't say that. That's a very beginner's mistake. When you have none of these, you cannot do that. You have to be confirmed, right? What if you click A and answer is D? That time what you will do? You will feel bad. So please always solve it fully, okay? Don't look for shortcuts. You are just in 11th standard. You're not writing your exam tomorrow. Got it? So when you are in 11th standard, you have to learn it properly, guys. You have to learn it from the scratch. Clear? Okay, take your time. So now with that said, let's move forward to the next one, okay? The next question is right on your screen. Everybody try to solve it. This was a JEE mains question. Okay. Yes, Vijaya. All the best for your physics exam. Do well. The product of roots of this equation. Now you have modulus inside. So how do you deal with it? So that is something which you have to think about. It's again a very nice question. Everybody try it. Yes, Ranu Rain. I have done it, man. Abhinaya, Vanakkam. Nice to see you here, Abhinaya. Everybody try to solve this question, guys. Come on, be quick. The product of the roots of the equation 9x square minus 18 mod x plus 5 equal to 0 is how much? That's the question for you. Please try to solve it. Everybody. Lokesh, have you done it? Yes, Vijaya. Karthik Gaming says option D. So I will teach you how to solve it. Everybody listen carefully. It's a very good question again. So you learn how to handle these situations by attending classes like this. Okay, I'll teach you how to handle it, but you guys have to pay attention. Okay, let's see whether Laya Shri, Kavi Priya, Vamsi, if you guys are all right. So what people have done is, everybody what they have done is, the moment I asked product of roots, what did you do? You did C by A, correct now? So you did C divided by A. So answer is C. But guys, that's wrong. That is absolutely wrong, because Meher Lata, Kavi Priya, Laya Shri, the mistake is you have modulus here. So it's not like your normal quadratic equation. It is not like your normal quadratic equation. You have to do something special over here. Okay, you have to do something special. So what is that something special? I will reveal it to you. Everybody pay attention carefully. Okay, so here I can write x square as mod x square. Is that okay with everybody? Because x square is anyway positive or 0. And I can write it as mod x square. There is no harm in doing that. That is absolutely correct. Do you all realize that? I'll go step by step so that everybody can enjoy and learn something useful out of this. Yes, you guys are all happy with this. X square can be written as mod of x square. That is totally fine and acceptable. Got it? Usha, yes Usha, we will check it, which is the right answer. Okay, now people, I can write the original equation as 9 into mod x square minus 18 into mod x plus 5. Now let's solve the quadratic like how we did when we were small children in 10th standard, 9th standard. You split the quadratic using the middle term. Okay. So splitting the middle term, I will factorize it. So how do you factorize it? 9 into 5 is 45. So 45, I have to split in such a way that I get minus 18. So 45 can be written as minus 15 into minus 3. So let me do that. So 9 mod x squared minus 15 mod x minus 3 mod x plus 5 is equal to 0. So I'll get 3 mod x common. So that will be 3 mod x minus 5. And minus 1 into 3 mod x minus 5. So I'll get what? I will get 3 mod x minus 5 equal to 0. And I'll get 3 mod x minus 1 equal to 0. So these are my two solutions. Are you all clear? Until here, everybody is happy? If everybody is happy until now, then please give me a thumbs up. Give me a fire in the chat and then we'll move forward. Was it legendary? Was it legendary until now? Everybody please respond quickly, guys. I want you to be super fast. Yup. Very good, Saran. Fantastic. Charan, very good. Brilliant. I am so glad that you guys are all following it. It's a very good question, guys. Vamsi, fantastic job, Vamsi. Okay, so now let's try to solve it. So now people, the last step is solving your modulus equation. So we have 3 mod x is equal to 5. So modulus of x is equal to 5 by 3. And we have 3 mod x is equal to 1. So modulus of x is equal to 1 by 3. So if modulus of x is positive, then x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. Similarly, if modulus of x is positive quantity, then x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 3. Now, why do I keep saying that it is positive? Because modulus of x cannot take negative values. So if mod x was equal to some negative number, then there is no solution, because modulus always gives you positive values as your output. Modulus always gives you positive values as your output. Okay, did you all like it? So now these are my 4 roots. Sir, this is quadratic. No sir, you should have only 2 roots. No guys, it's not a normal quadratic. You have modulus inside. So you can have maximum 4 roots. So that is what we are getting, right? We are getting 4 roots here. So the product of the 4 roots is how much? Plus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into 5 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. So the product of all the roots is 25 by 81. That, my dear friends, is the right answer. Was it legendary? Are you all happy? Next level? Very good. You are absolutely correct. Uma Sendil. Then we have Fake Buster. You are right. Then we have QB Base. Fantastic. So, did you all love it? Was it a good question? So yeah, this is how you solve it, people. I hope you are all happy. So with that, shall we move forward? Very good, Uday. Very good, Vikram. Nityan. Yes, Sivajyoti. When is your exam? We will try to help you. Great, great, great. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Are you all ready? Everybody try to solve this question now. So they are saying, find the number of integral values of m for which this quadratic has no real root. Okay, you have no real root. No real root means what? Your discriminant is less than 0. That's it. Very laddu. Can you believe this question was asked in JEE Mains 2019? Okay, this question was asked in JEE Mains 2019. So everybody try it out. If you are able to do this, imagine you are just in the starting of 11th standard and you are able to crack a JEE Mains question. How much confidence will that give you? It will boost your confidence like anything, isn't it? Come on guys, I want all of you all to finish it off. Great, great. Okay, Vamsi, that's awesome, man. Fantastic. Great, great. So people, everybody try to solve it. Chandu, yes Chandu, we will try to help you out, don't worry. And you can listen to this lecture, keep trying, because anyway while I'm solving, I'm trying to help you with the concept behind also. Okay? Exactly, Charan. Charan, you are absolutely right. That's correct, man. So people, everybody, how do you solve this? What is D? D is your discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square. So B, which is your coefficient of x, B square minus 4A into C. That should be less than 0. Got it? Are you all happy? So what will you get? Minus 2 square will be 4. So 4 and 4 I can take common. So 4 if I take common, I'll have 1 plus 3m whole square minus product of these two is what? 1 plus 8m plus m square plus 8m cube. That is less than 0. Got it? Everybody cool with it? So now I can simplify it. 1 square will get cancelled. 9m square minus m square will be 8m square. Then you'll have how much m? 6m. 6m minus 8m is minus 2m. Correct? Because you'll have, when you open this, you'll have 6m. 6m minus 8m is 2m. And then you have minus 8m cube. Got it? Is less than 0. So I can take one m outside. I can take one minus m outside. So, and 2 also I can take out, because 2 is also common, right? 2 is common, m is common. So I'll take 2 and m common. Outside 4 is there. So 4 into 2m is 8m. You'll have what left out? You'll have 4m minus 1 minus 4m square is less than 0. Okay. Now you can take minus from here outside. You can take minus from here outside because that will be 4m square minus 4m plus 1, because that's a perfect square. This is a perfect square. How sir? How perfect square? It is 2m minus 1 whole square, guys. So this is always positive. So this is negative. So if whole thing has to be negative, then m has to be positive. That's it. That's my answer. This is already positive. I have negative. So negative into positive is negative. If this is also positive, then the entire thing will be negative. Did you understand it? Are you all able to understand? So if this is already positive, you can forget about this. Okay, you can forget about this because it's already positive. So I want this quantity to be negative. So this is already negative, so remove the minus sign. If I remove the minus sign, this should be greater than 0. 8 is already positive, so m also should be positive. So m positive is my answer. M positive, there are infinitely many solutions because I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. So answer is infinitely many solutions. Bhargav Sai, welcome Bhargav. Shelby, I'm glad you liked it. How was this question? Did you all enjoy it? Was it legendary? Next level question, na? Very good, very good. Superb. So with that, shall I move forward to the next question? Are you all happy with it? Yes. Did you all enjoy it, my dear boys and girls? Fabulous people, fabulous. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. The next question is right on your screen over here. Please try to solve it, guys. Come on. Again, a fantastic question. Yes, Yashashwini, we will definitely start it. Okay, once the engineering entrance exams for your seniors are over, we will start with regular sessions for next year. Please do wait. We'll help you. Thank you, Tirath. That is so kind of you, man. Bhargav Sai says option C. Okay, we will check it. Devil Gaming, thank you so much, man. I'm glad you're all enjoying it. So people, these are all very good mixture of questions which I have brought for you. So please do take them seriously and practice them with all your heart, because that will make sure you are very strong in quadratic. Okay, because I have brought all questions. I started off with easy questions. Now I am discussing JEE mains questions. Then I'll move on to advanced level questions also, because definitely you guys will be able to try it. Trust me on that. Advanced level is not like beyond reach. I will make sure you guys solve it. Just watch. Are you all ready, everybody? Superb, superb, superb. Very good. Devil Gaming is right, I think. Fantastic, people. Sivajyoti. Okay, okay, okay. 8th July and 20th July, is it? Okay, we'll try to make some sessions for that. Got it? Fake Buster. Fantastic. Kavi Priya. It is not A Kavi Priya because I think the answer is B. Okay. Fantastic. Work hard, Devil Gaming. You might. Only if you are consistent and hardworking, you can. So please keep that in mind always. Okay. Let that be your motivation. So people, what is your answer? The answer is option B. How, sir? So first of all, what is sum of the roots? Sum of roots is equal to what? Minus b by a. So minus b by a means it is 3 by 1 plus m square. And what is your product of roots? Product of roots is equal to c by a. That's going to be m square plus 1. Is that right? Everybody cool with it? Did you all like it so far? Are you all happy with it? Come on, guys. Everybody let me know. Till here, you guys are all happy, comfortable? Sum of the roots is minus b by a. Product of the roots is c by a. And once I did that, I am left out with this. Are you all clear with this? Did you all love it? Yup. Everybody is cool? So now shall we have a look at what to do further? Great. They said sum of the root is greatest. So that means this is maximum. So for this to be maximum, what should be the value of m? You guys tell me. You guys can easily do it. Come on, guys. Think about it. For this to be maximum, what should be the value of m? Everybody think about it and answer. Take some time, but be free. Tell me whatever you think. Even if it is wrong, it's okay. We are all here to learn only, right? All of us are not experts. Think about it and answer. See, they said the sum of its roots is greatest. That means it's a maximum value. So what can be the maximum value of this and when will it occur? Very good. So this will be maximum when my denominator is minimum. Exactly. When will my denominator be minimum? When m is 0. So indirectly they told boys and girls, my m value is 0. My m value is 0. So product of roots will be 1. That's it. Because m is 0, na? 0 plus 1 is 1. So the equation is x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. That's it. This is my equation. Are you all happy? Now what are they asking? The absolute difference of cubes of the roots. They're asking modulus of a cube minus b cube. Why? Because absolute means modulus. Difference means subtraction. Cubes of the roots. Alpha cube, beta cube. Did you like it? I'm going step by step. So this is how you solve it, my dear boys and girls. So what is alpha cube minus beta cube? So it's alpha minus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta or plus alpha beta. Okay, so are you all clear with this? Can you all solve this now, everybody? Yes. Can you guys finish it off? Come on, try it out. For those who are new to this chapter, I'll give you one small technique. The magnitude of alpha minus beta is root d by a for a quadratic equation. What is alpha minus beta magnitude? It's a secret formula. Everybody please note it down. It's very, very important. Not many people are aware of this. Everybody knows sum of the roots and product of the roots, but many people are not aware of difference of roots. So difference of roots magnitude for a quadratic equation is root d by a. That is what you have to use here. Okay. And then this alpha square plus beta square, you can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. So I can now replace this with root d by a. And I can replace this with alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now I can plug in the values, everything I know. Now I can plug in the values. Okay, everybody clear? All of you ready? Yes, so let's try to solve it. Bhargav, I will solve it and then I'll show you Bhargav. Before even I solve, how can you say which is the answer? Please wait. Okay, please wait, I'll explain it, then you can ask. So root d is what? The equation that we have is x square minus 3x plus 1. So we know sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Product of the roots alpha beta is equal to 1. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. And how much is that? 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5. So that is your discriminant. So what will this value be? So it is root 5 by a. A is 1. Root 5 by 1 into alpha plus beta whole square, which is 9, minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta, which is minus alpha beta, which will be 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into root 5 is 8 root 5. So 8 root 5 is the answer. I hope all of you liked it. Was it legendary? Was it legendary? Did you guys like it? Are you all clear? Fantastic. So that is how you do it. I hope all of you are clear. Okay? Fantastic. So Chandu, the crash course you can join by using the link in the description of my videos. You can check it out. I have done many videos for VIT, BitSat. In the description of those videos, you will find the crash course details. You can join it. It just started day before yesterday. So yeah, you are not late. You can join it right away. Arshad, of course we will, man. 23 batch, you have a year left. We will start off, okay? Your seniors are writing exams after exams. So we will do the same for you also next year. Okay, so don't worry. Very good. So people, shall we get started with the next question? Perfect. The answer is 8 root 5. Now, this is your next question. Everybody try it out. Come on, people. I want all of you to try and do this quickly. It's a very nice question. Again, it is a JEE mains question, so please think about it and try it out. Very good. Yes, Selvi, I'm glad you liked it. Find all the possible positive integral values of alpha for which the roots of this equation are rational numbers. For which the roots of this equation are rational numbers. So, how do you figure it out? Everybody think about it and then try it. So, what are the roots, guys? The roots are nothing but use your quadratic formula. Minus d plus or minus root of minus b, right? Minus b plus or minus root of b square, which is 121, minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I'll have 11 by 12 plus or minus root of 121 minus 24a by 12. So when will the roots be rational? The roots will be rational when this is a perfect square. The roots will be rational when the quantity inside the root, it should be a perfect square. So you substitute values for a. Because a is what? They are asking positive integers. So a can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let's put a as 1. If I put a as 1, 121 minus 24 is 97. No, that's not a perfect square. We'll put a as 2. If I put a as 2, what will I get? I'll get 121 minus 48, which will be 73, right? Yeah? So that will be 73, I guess. That is also not a perfect square. Put a as 3. Then you'll get 121 minus 72, which is equal to 49. That is a perfect square. So a can be 3. So a equal to 3 is allowed. Then put a as 4. If I put a as 4, I'll get 121 minus 96, which is equal to 25. So that is also a perfect square. So a equal to 4 is also right. Then put a as 5. If I put a as 5, I'll get 121 minus 120, which is 1. That is also a perfect square. So 5 is also allowed. Beyond 5, this will be negative. Beyond 5, if I put a as 6, this will be negative, and square root of a negative quantity is not allowed because we are looking at real numbers. We are looking at rational numbers, right? So your square root cannot be negative. Therefore, we stop at 5. So 3, 4, 5, 3 values are allowed. That is why the answer is option D. Legendary. Was it awesome? Did you guys like it? Everybody? Are you guys happy with it? Everybody, please let me know in the chat and then we'll move forward. Yup. Very good, very good, very good. Great. So shall we move forward? Fantastic. Great. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. The next question is over here, right on your screen. Everybody try to solve it. Again, a legendary question. Again, a legendary question. Will you take any micro courses for 11th and 12th portions on vPro soon? I have taken the AI live batch. Okay, for 12th standard. For next year, AI live batch, I have taken classes, Arshad, but live batches as of now, no. Okay. Great. I am glad you all are loving it. Great job, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Awesome. So people, are you all enjoying these kind of questions? So these are all very epic questions, right? So these you can easily solve if your quadratic concepts are cleared. This is how every chapter is. Okay, so JEE Mains and JEE Advanced is not that difficult. If you cover the concept, if you learn it from the right teachers, if you learn it in the right manner, then you will be able to crack any exam with the enough practice. Okay. Ritin, yes man, I do teach 24 here. So this is a problem solving session, Ritish. Okay, so people, shall we get started? Everybody. And for those who are interested, sir, will you teach for 2024 batch? Does Vedantu have any program for 2024? Yes, of course, guys. In Vedantu, for 2024, we have classes and the course is starting, I think, day after tomorrow. Okay, so you see, this is the video you're watching, right? You're all currently watching this video. Just come below this video and you see here 2024 English batch. We have Hindi also for those who want to learn in Hindi. So you can click on the second link. For English, first link. So you see here, this is for 2 years. For 2 years, it is just 14,850. And guys, if you are interested, please check it out today because next week the prices are increasing. Okay, next week the prices are going to increase. So if you are interested, please check it out and don't lose this opportunity. This is for 2 years. For 11th and 12th. This is AI Live. AI Live means the teaching is recorded. Okay, and who are your teachers? You will have Shreyas sir, Akash sir, Rishiba ma'am. So they'll be your teachers for physics, chemistry and mathematics. So if you want live, then you have to check the other one, which is 56,000. Okay, so live batches are 56,000, and if you want live batches with study material, then you can go down and you can check it. Okay, so you can go here and check. So live batch is 72,000 with the books. So some people want books also, right? Sir, I want Vedantu study material, sir. I want them to courier it to my house. I want hard copy so that I can study in my house. Then you can choose the last one. Okay, so live batches means the teachers will be live in the class. So you can ask the teachers doubts. What is AI Live? AI Live means only the teaching part will be recorded, but everything else is a live experience. You will answer questions in the class along with other students. You will ask doubts in the chat. So all that is allowed. Only the teaching part will be recorded. That is why AI Live is a little bit less expensive. Okay. Yes. So definitely guys, it's a very big opportunity. The reason why I'm coming here and explaining all out is the next week the prices will all skyrocket. Okay, it'll go up because so many students are loving the courses and they are finding it very, very useful to cover their foundational level knowledge and for problem solving. Okay, so if you are interested, check it out. It is my suggestion because the batches are starting on 4th July. Okay, with only AI Live can I crack JEE? Of course, yes, Shelby, if you use it to the fullest. Like if you solve the questions and if you do the assignments on time, you attend the test series. See, we provide lot of features, right? What people think is, they think that it is only classes. No, Vedantu is a complete package. We give you classes, we give you assignments, we give you study material, we conduct test series. So all the four, you need to be regular. Okay. See guys, if you are already in a coaching, then I would say AI Live is a better option. If you're already going somewhere, sir, I'm already going that place, this place, my parents put me near my house, sir, every day I have to go offline, then you can choose AI Live because that will be an excellent combination. But if you want to study only with me, only in Vedantu, only with Shreyas sir, Akash sir, Rishiba ma'am, then I would say the live courses are a better choice. Okay. Our crash course classes live. Yes, yes, man. Chandu, I told you already, right? Crash course means you check my other videos, man. So this is a channel, right? So yesterday I did one VIT session, no? Yesterday I did one VIT BitSat session. So there you can go and check it in the description. You'll have the live crash course in the description. So you see here, live crash course. It started only yesterday, Chandu, so you can join it. So shall we get started? Can we resume? How many of you solved the question? Hello Anita, welcome, welcome, welcome. Great, great, great. Yes, definitely Arshad. Arshad, I also want to do, man. It's not like I don't want to, but of course there are lots of things to be done. We are just prioritizing like that. Okay, because Imagine, man, for your seniors, this is the month of their life. Okay, so that is why we are helping them out, but don't worry, we will do the same for you as well. So shall we get started? Very good. So let's resume, guys. Come on. I have given you the information. Now it's time to decide, guys. The 11th standard batches in Vedantu are starting on 4th July, which is day after tomorrow. So if you have any idea to join, I would say now is the time, because next week the prices are going to increase. Okay, fantastic. Yes, Arshad, for sure, man. So guys, let's try to solve it. What is the answer? The answer is 2, right? Everybody is saying 2. So let me check whether you guys are right or wrong. So first of all, people, the leading coefficient, let's analyze that. Okay, what is the leading coefficient? The leading coefficient is 4p minus p square minus 5. Okay, so if you write it in the correct order, it is going to be minus p square plus 4p minus 5. What is the discriminant? The discriminant is b square minus 4 into a into c, which is negative. So discriminant is negative and leading coefficient is also negative. So it is a downward opening parabola which is always negative. Because if a is less than 0 and d is less than 0, it will have no real roots and it will be below the x-axis. So what does that mean? What that means is, that means this is always negative. That means this is a downward opening parabola. Okay, now we want the roots to be on either side of unity. So 1 is unity, we want the roots to be here and here. So I want the roots to be like this. So it is a downward opening parabola and the roots should be between here and here. Got it? So what is f of 1? F of 1 will pakka be positive. F of 1 will pakka be positive. Only then you have one root to the left, one root to the right. So what is f of 1? Okay, f of 1 is nothing but you put x as 1, you will get it. So that should be positive. You guys can solve it and you will get the answer. Are you all clear with it? Can you all do it now? Very simple, na? Great. Awesome. So that's it, people. I hope you all can solve that. Everybody try to solve f of 1 greater than 0. Come on, people. What is f of 1? 4p minus p square plus minus 5. Then minus 2p plus 1 plus 3p is greater than 0. So I'll have what? Minus p square. 4p minus 2p is 2p plus 3p is 5p. Then you have minus 4 is greater than 0. So multiply minus sign, you will get p square minus 5p plus 4 is less than 0. So p minus 4 into p minus 1 is less than 0. So p will be between 1 and 4. That is your answer. I hope all of you liked it. So between 1 and 4, what are the roots? Integral values. Between 1 and 4, the two integral values are 2 and 3. Therefore, answer is 2. That is how you do it. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it, my dear boys and girls? Everybody cool with it? Please let me know in the chat quickly and then we'll move forward. Everybody quick. Okay, so with that, let's go forward to the next question. The next question for you all is right on your screen. Please try to do it. Come on, guys. So the range of values of a for which the equation has the smaller root in the interval minus 1 to 2. The smaller root should be between minus 1 to 2. Okay, so we know f of 0 is what? At 0 the value is minus 4. At 0 the value is minus 4. So they want it to be like this. Because smaller root should be in this interval, the bigger root should be to the right. Okay, so the first condition is my discriminant should be greater than 0. Second condition is f of minus 1 is positive and f of 2 is negative. So apply these three conditions, you will get your answer. Apply these three conditions, you will get your answer. As simple as that. Sir, why is it upward opening, sir? Because the leading coefficient is 1. If the leading coefficient is 1, then it's an upward opening parabola. And they want the smaller root to be between minus 1 and 2. So between minus 1 and 2, I took one root which is the smaller one, and the bigger one will be beyond 2. So that is how you solve it. I hope you all liked it. Yes? Everybody clear? Fantastic, fantastic. Great. So people, can you all try to solve these inequalities? Many people are asking, sir, inequalities how to solve, sir. You get to learn from here. What is discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4 AC, right? So A into C, that is greater than 0. I think that's always true, right? That's always true, isn't it? B square minus 4AC is always positive because C is minus 4. So minus of minus will become plus. So A square plus 16 is always positive, we all know that. And f of minus 1 is what? F of minus 1 is 1 minus A minus 4 is greater than 0. So you'll have A to be less than minus 3. F of 2 is less than 0. What is f of 2? 4 plus 2A minus 4 is less than 0. So you will get A to be less than 0. So A less than 0, A less than minus 3. So the answer is option A. Option A is the correct one. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with this, my dear boys and girls? Please let me know in the chat and then we'll move forward. Are you all clear with this? Guys, come on. These are all very, very nice questions. I hope you are trying to use them properly. Chandu, if you are in 12th standard, then please join the 2023 batch. I am teaching in that. The AI Live for 2023, it is just 8,100 now. If you want, you can message me here. I will help you. So message me on Shimon_Joseph. I will help you. Telegram. Okay. So that is my Telegram ID. If you message me there, I'll help you. I teach for 12th standard next year, AI Live. Okay. Along with Shreyas sir and Harsh Maheshwari sir. It's an excellent batch. And lots of students are already a part of it who are enjoying it. In case you are interested, let me know. 150 marks, how much percentile, sir? Malik, 150 marks will be around 93 percentile is what I'm guessing. Okay, 92 to 93 percentile. Vamsi, it will be out very soon, Vamsi. I'm not sure whether today or tomorrow, but yeah, it should be out very soon. I will let you know if it comes out, okay? So people, shall we move forward? Let's go. Everybody try to solve this question. Come on, guys. Don't give up. Don't give up. I want you to be fired up and try to solve this question. Thank you, Chandu. Chandu, then it's better you join the AI Live batch for next year, man. Because you're 2023 aspirant, right? So that makes sense for you. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, then what is the value of this? So we know alpha plus beta is what? Sum of the roots is minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. That's it. So I got alpha plus beta, I got alpha beta. Now let's simplify this. Take LCM. If I take LCM, I'll get alpha minus alpha beta square plus beta minus beta alpha square divided by, I'll get 1 minus alpha square minus beta square plus alpha beta whole square. Okay. So now let's join these terms. Let's join these two and let's join these two. So I'll get what? Alpha plus beta minus alpha beta into alpha plus beta divided by, you'll have 1 plus alpha beta whole square minus alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square, I can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta over. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 divided by 1 plus alpha beta whole square is 4 by 49 minus alpha plus beta whole square is 9 by 49 minus of 2 alpha beta will be plus 4 by 7. So simplify that and get the answer, people. That's it, you're done. Okay, so that'll be what? Let's multiply this by 7. Let's multiply this by 7. So it'll be 21 plus 6, 27. Divide by, let's multiply 49 everywhere. So 49 plus 4 is 53. 53 minus 9 minus 28. So that's your answer. So it will be 27, 27 and then by 16. Huh? Yeah, I think 27 by 16, right? Option D is the answer. Okay, I hope all of you got it. Yes, 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 yes. Brilliant. How much percentile we want to take in JEE mains? So devil gaming, you have to get very high, man, because Tamil Nadu people do study well. Okay, so you will get 99.999, then you might be state topper. Okay, so 99.99 near you have to get. Okay, so people, shall we move forward? Did you all like it? The answer is option D. How many of you enjoyed it? Why is the energy so low, guys? Why are you guys so dull? What happened? What is up with you people? Come on, try to participate. VIT when, sir? Amber Mishra. The exams are going on for VIT. We'll try to have a session tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow I'll try to do a session on VIT. Pakka for you guys. Okay? Cool. So shall we move forward? Everybody try to solve the next question. Come on people. Try to do this. It's an again JEE Main 2020 question. Very, very interesting one. Try to solve it. Nadia, thank you so much. That means a lot. How much marks Devil Gaming? Around 250, 260 out of 300. Then you will be amongst the state toppers. Okay. If you score 280 out of 300, you might be the state topper. So aim for 280. You have to work extremely hard, like crazy hard, and then you might be able to do it. Okay? Yeah. Be motivated and try to achieve that. That would be a cool motivation for you. Yes, Sivajoti. How do you fast calculations? Udaya, practice Udaya. I've been solving for a long time, right? Even as a student, I was very fast. Okay. That's because when I was young, I did tables, multiplication. I spent a lot of time. So when you spend a lot of time on calculations, you naturally become faster. Yes, Chandu. Yes, no problem. So guys, everybody try to solve this question. So what are they saying? Alpha is the common root. That means alpha satisfies the first quadratic, also the second quadratic. Okay, alpha will satisfy the first quadratic equation, also the second one. Got it? Then they're asking find the value of beta gamma by lambda. So let's do this. So alpha satisfies the first one and alpha satisfies the second one. Now multiply the first one by 3 and subtract it. So let's multiply this by 3. Are you all okay with that? So let's multiply this by 3 and then we'll subtract this. So I'll have 7 alpha minus 21 lambda equal to 0. So I'll get alpha is equal to 3 lambda. Does that make sense, everybody? Does that make sense? You'll have 7 alpha minus 21 lambda equal to 0. So alpha equal to 3 lambda. So I got what is alpha. Okay, so I got what is alpha. I hope all of you are clear. Fantastic. Superb. Devil Gaming. That's awesome, man. I'm happy for you. When will JEE droppers start? Telugu, it is starting tomorrow. Telugu Tech. It is starting tomorrow. If you want to know the details, you can message me on Telegram. Okay, I will help you with the link. You can check it out. It is starting on 4th July, which is Monday. Okay, you can message me on Telegram. Guys, any personal request, please message me here. I will guide you. Okay. So are you all done, everybody? So now we got alpha. Let's plug it back there because alpha satisfies that. Nah? Alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda equal to 0. And we got alpha equal to 3 lambda. So put that here. So you will get what? 3 lambda square will be 9 lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. So I'll have 9 lambda square minus lambda equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 by 9 because lambda cannot be 0. They gave here, no? Lambda cannot be 0, so I can cancel lambda. Okay? So lambda will be 1 by 9. Now you put it back and get the other one. You can get beta. So if lambda is 1 by 9, alpha is 3 lambda. So alpha is 3 lambda means alpha will be 1 by 3. So I got alpha. Beta is what? Beta is the other root. Alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So minus b by a. So beta will be what? Beta will be 1 minus alpha, which is 2 by 3. Similarly, alpha plus gamma is 10 by 3. So gamma is equal to 10 by 3 minus alpha, which is equal to 3. So gamma is 3, beta is 2 by 3, lambda is 1 by 9. So beta is 2 by 3, gamma is 3, lambda is 1 by 9. So the answer is 18. So if you got 18, you are fully correct. You get full marks. Karthik Gaming, fantastic Karthik. You are absolutely awesome, man. Fantastic. Okay. So all of you have done a great job. Shall I move forward? Are you all ready for the next one? Yes? Very good, very good. Great, great, great. So with that, let me go to the next question, people. Here we go. Another easy question. Everybody try to crack it. Thank you, Devil Gaming. I'm glad you're enjoying it, man. People, everybody try to solve this. I'll give you 1 minute time and then we'll discuss it. I will give you all 1 minute time. That's it. I want everybody to try it out. Quick, 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 quick. Anita, Nadia, fantastic. Does limit come in 11th or 12th? Kirtan, limit comes in 11th standard, limits and derivatives. 12th is continuity, okay? 11th you'll have limits and derivatives. Easy one, answer is option D. Are you sure? No, man. Answer is option A. How, sir? A? Because if Z0 is the root of this, guys, what is this? The roots of this are, do you guys remember? So what are the roots? The roots are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So it will be minus 3. So it will be root 3i by 2, which is nothing but omega and omega square. The roots are omega and omega square, the cube roots of unity. So omega power 3, we all know it's 1, right? So any multiple of 3 in the power, this will become 1. Any multiple of 3 in the power, it will become 1. So effectively it will become 3 plus 6i minus 3i. That's it. So it is 3 plus 3i. What? Our z is equal to this value. So if it is 3 plus 3i, that means it lies in the first quadrant of our argand plane. It lies in the first quadrant of our argand plane. So the argument theta is pi by 4 because tan theta is 3 by 3. Tan theta is 3 by 3, which will be 1. So theta is equal to pi by 4. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? So shall I move forward? Did you all like it, my dear boys and girls? If you're all excited, then let's move forward to the next one. Please let me know, guys. Quick, 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 quick. I want you to be super fast. Let me know in the chat with a fire. Great, great, great. It doesn't matter, Kirtan. You can use both. Anyway, it's going to be 1 only. Because they are raised to even multiple of 3. They are raised to multiple of 3. So anyway, it's going to be 1 only. Whether it's omega or omega square, doesn't matter. Okay? Fantastic. So with that, let me go to one more question. Okay? Please try to solve it. It's a fantastic question, guys. This is a fantastic question. And probably we will stop with one more question as homework. Okay? Try it, try it. Everybody try it. Give your best shot. If x square plus 3x plus 5 and ax square plus bx plus c have a common root and ABC belongs to natural numbers, then what is the minimum value of a plus b plus c? So first of all guys, if you look at the discriminant of this, b square minus 4 into a into c, it will be negative. That means no real roots. They have no real root. That means you have imaginary roots. This has imaginary root and they have a common root. Because ABC are real numbers, ABC are natural numbers. Natural number means they are real numbers also. So since ABC is real and you have one imaginary root common, then the other root also should be common, right? Because here also you have 1, 3, 5 real numbers. So imaginary roots will occur in pairs. So even though only one common root is there, the other one is also common because imaginary roots will occur in pairs. So this and this will have the same set of roots. So basically they are the same quadratic. If they are the same quadratic, then they will be proportional. Then they will be proportional. So what is A? A is equal to lambda, B is equal to 3 lambda and C is equal to 5 lambda. So what is A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C is lambda plus 3 lambda plus 5 lambda, which is 9 lambda. And lambda minimum value can be 1 because we want all of them to be natural numbers. So lambda minimum can be 1. Okay, because only then they will be natural numbers. So the answer is 9 because 9 into 1 is 9. Did you all like it? Are you all happy? Sanvi, welcome Sanvi, nice to see you. I am meeting you after ages. I think after a year. Raghunath, I am glad you liked it, man. Limits, Sai Srinath. I have made some videos in this channel, you can check it out. Sindhu, Vanakkam Sindhu. Exactly Sanvi. Anyway, it's so good to see you back. But you are coming at the very end of this lecture. So almost done. Okay, anyway, good to have you back. So people, this one you guys can take it as a homework. I want all of you to try it out and let me know the answer in the comment section. Will you all do that? Yes? Tanushri, 1 year is a good enough time for JEE mains. People crack it in just 2-3 months. Okay? So you can, of course, you can let me know, I'll help you out. Okay? Guys, if you have any request personal, you can message me here. Shimon_Joseph in Telegram. Okay? So guys, will you all do this homework? I want you to comment it down in the comment section. And for those who are in 11th standard, guys, like I said, the courses in Vedantu is starting July 4th, Monday. So Monday, there is a new batch starting for 11th standard. And if you want to join it, you can check it out in the description of this video. So what you need to do is go to our channel. So this is the channel you are currently watching, JEE Enlite. Just come below the video. If you come below the video, you will see here, JEE 2024 Pro Lite English. So click on that English and go inside. You will see the complete details. So the batch is starting tomorrow and then you have the fees and what are the features of the class, who are the teachers and what is the cost, what is the result that we have produced in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, KVPY you saw, right? All India Rank 2. All India Rank 2 was from Vedantu, our internal student. That is crazy good achievement, guys. See, the next batch is on July 4th. Can you see here? The next batch is on July 4th, which is tomorrow. I mean, day after tomorrow, Monday. So check it out, people. If you want AI live, it is a bit lesser expensive, which is just 14,800. If you want live batch, sir, I want teacher live. Then for 2 years, it is just 72,000. For 2 years. Sir, what will I get for 72,000? For 72,000, you will get teaching, assignments, test series, doubt solving after the class also. After the class, we have Vedantu app. There you can get your doubts resolved. You will get study material and you will get an app called Pedagogy app, which has a lot of books from which you can solve questions from. Okay, so everything will be available in the Live Pro Classic. Okay, so Live Pro Classic is the best and the topmost program in Vedantu, which is starting day after tomorrow. But if you want AI Live, then please know that the teaching part alone is recorded over here. Okay, great. So yeah, that's about it, people. If you have any more doubts about the courses or about this lecture, please comment it down below. I will help you and I'll address all your questions. And like I said, start studying aggressive because your results, CBSE 10th results will come this week. So you have to get started with your 11th standard. You have a long journey ahead. So be excited, be motivated. And I really wish all of you score and achieve whatever you want to do in life. Okay. So we'll work together. Don't worry. Take care and love you all. I'll see you in the next one. So people, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends who are in 11th standard. Ask them, can you solve this quadratic equation? Let's see if they can do it. If not, they can come and watch this video and learn. Okay. So take care, people. All the best. Yes, bye Sanvi. See you in the next one. Okay, take care guys. Bye-bye. All the best.